If you're having any trouble while uploading the files, you can manually do that from here, and you can upload a file or a folder or a zip. Okay, so now that the files have been uploaded, we are done with the setup, and as you can see here, it's mentioned that it's going to take around 72 hours for a new domain name to start working everywhere. It does not happen every time, but sometimes it does take time. So just open your website in a new tab and check once in a while if it's uploaded or not. If not, then you have to wait for some more time, but at the end it will be done uploading and the website will be live. Okay, and this is your domain name. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any queries, please post them in the comment section down below. If you've liked what you've watched till now, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Well, hello there, and welcome to VBA Coding for Excel. My name is Chelsea Doman, and we are going to be learning a whole heck of a lot about Visual Basic for Applications. Now, of course, Visual Basic for Applications, which is what VBA stands for, does have the word applications in it. That sort of implies more than one application. So it does actually work in the other programs in the Microsoft Office suite. However, in this particular class, we are really going to be focusing on Excel, which is, in my opinion, one of the places in which it has the greatest utility for the largest number of people. In this beginner class, we're going to start off really nice and simple. So if you've never heard of macros, or maybe you've seen one that somebody else made, you are in the right place. If you've already created your own macros, don't worry, stay tuned, and pretty soon we'll be in the middle of amazing stuff for you. In the beginning videos, we're going to start by discussing the basics of VBA and its language, displaying the Developer tab of the Excel ribbon, recording some basic macros, learning some VBA terminology, figuring out how to use the VBA interface, which I do have up over here. We will talk about how to bring that up together. Writing macros, debugging macros, and adding them as buttons in the ribbon or in the interface of Excel. So I could add it as an extra button over here, or I could add it directly into the interface as well. For this little bit, you get to just sit back and listen and watch. Don't worry, I won't do anything cool without you. So what is VBA? As we discussed earlier, VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications, and on the right-hand side of my screen, you will see a window over here that looks pretty old-fashioned. And that's because in my template called Book 1, right, that's the one that we get into every time we open up Excel, just say we just want a blank workbook. And I do have my window fully expanded here. I am in Excel 2016, however, I have mentioned this in the first video, but it definitely bears repeating. If you are using an earlier version of the program like Excel 2007, Excel 2010, or Excel 2013, everything that we're going to be doing in this class is also doable in each one of those versions of the program. If you are using an older version of that, no worries. There might be little things here and there that cause a little bit of a hiccup, and by simply Googling those little things, we tend to be able to find fixes very quickly. They're usually the very first thing that comes up in our Google search. Now, in Excel 2016, it looks a whole lot like Excel 2013. I do have my normal tabs of the ribbon on the upper left-hand side of my screen. I have my